Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing an eyeliner, kind of an intense focused look. This is going to be like a green contrast with like a brownish red eyeshadow. And if you like this look and you want to see how I got it, then please stay tuned and enjoy the video. I'm going to jump right in with this Rose Inc Skin Enhance Tinted Serum. I have the shade 020. This is the sample size. And as soon as I'm out of this, I will switch over to the full size that I got on sale recently. But yeah, I just wanted to do like some kind of moody makeup look today, with that Mahogany lip oil as the inspiration. Since we're about to get snow again, then I'm going with the weather patterns here. And the Dior Mahogany lip oil was kind of the inspiration for this makeup look. But also I wanted to do like a green eyeline idea as well. And hopefully it comes together because I didn't really plan it out. I'm just going to wing it. That's what I usually do on the daily anyways, is looking at my different makeup products. It's whatever inspires me in the moment. I grab it out of my drawers and try to create something that goes well together. Hopefully the lighting doesn't change too much because it is a little bit all over the place with the clouds. I could keep this on. I hope that doesn't throw much off. Just did my base really quick with the Rose Inc serum and the concealer, and that looks pretty flawless. I was going to use this Nars cream bronzer in Laguna 01. And let me use a dense brush. I'm going to just try to buff it in and make it look a little bit natural. That looks pretty. Wanted to add a little bit of a contrast to this look as well, because it's going to be a little bit on the moody side, which is kind of a deeper colors, not as natural in coloring as say pinks and peaches. They're colors that are a little bit less natural on the skin, like browns for my skin tone are not as natural, so I'm just kind of throwing it into the moody category here to create. It's definitely getting super dark outside. So what next? I was going to use this Rose Inc in Camilla. This is the blush I was going to use today. I'm going to apply it with just a fluffier brush so it doesn't overpower the whole look. I wanted the focus to be a little bit cool toned. And this is probably my coolest blush that I really like this color. It's just so pretty. If it looks a little bit different, it's because I had to turn on some lights in the house because suddenly it's super gray outside and it just changed on a whim. I might do my lips first, since I usually do. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in Deep Taupe. It's definitely a really pretty contour lip liner. I'll do the lip oil now. This is Mahogany by Dior. I really love the smell of these lip oils. This brand, really. All right. So there's the lips. It's a little bit on the brown side. It's like a slight brown. It's not too crazy, but it's just perfect. And I think I'll add the powder bronzer a little bit later. I will set my under eyes really quick before I forget with this Laura Mercier translucent. I'm just using any old fluffy brush. I'll do my eyebrows really fast with this Nature Republic brow pencil. I recently saw this video where someone was doing the high versus low facial makeup style and like what your face shape is depends on where you should be applying your makeup. And I thought that was a pretty good idea for a video, is just to kind of do it on my face shape to see kind of where I would place the makeup and where it looks the most not only natural but complementary, because you can always go the natural route. But my brows are all done. I might add a little bit of this Haus Labs bronzer just for a bit of dimension right in the cheek, because I wanted to do it you know, have kind of a more intense chiseled look. So I'm gonna see if I can get the most angles and moody look with more contrast. This powder, it's so easy to work with. I really love this Haus Labs bronzer. Yeah, added a little bit of something there. Okay, for now, I think that's good. And for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Mcgrath eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorites. I will go into this red shade, kind of put it all over the lid. It will tie in with the lip color because it's kind of a reddy brown lip color. I wanted this to be sort of the base of the eye. And then the color right on top of that, right over that red, is going to be that darker brown that is in the same palette. So I'm just going to create a little bit more of a shadow in the crease. Do the same on the other side. Kind of soften it up, blend it out. It's almost like a soft smoky eye is what it's kind of looking like. And the eyeliner I wanted to use is this by Kylie Jenner. It's the matte green in 005. There it is. It's a green here. I think it's just a traditional pencil. So I'm gonna add the eyeliner. And here's the green to our look today. I thought it also might be interesting to show what green eyeliner looks like on olive skin. I know a lot of people love to use greens in their makeup looks. I'd say out of all the colors, I think a copper look is my favorite. It looks the most complementary to the different colors on my skin. And I might just do it in the waterline too. That's really pretty. It's a nice green. And there's the eyeliner. I will curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. This is just the Shiseido eyelash curler using the Clinique mascara. And there's the mascara on the eyes all done. I may add a little bit more of this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna add the little cream color on the inner corner here. And what I realized I'm missing is a bit of highlighter. I'm going to use one of my intense highlight. I'm using the Natasha Denona Face Glam palette, the highlight, and I absolutely love that color. Just kind of put it where you want everything to pop. For a cool colored blush, I mean, it definitely doesn't come off as cool because my olive skin color has that golden undertone. Anytime you're adding yellow to a cool pink, it's gonna warm it up instantly. This is the makeup look all done. It's definitely a kind of a dramatic green eyeliner centered, which is so pretty. It turned out really nice. What I could do is add a little bit, just a little bit more of that red eyeshadow that's in that palette and put it right above, because it kind of just does something to make that green pop. And that red, it really makes brown eyes just pop as well. It makes it so pretty. So I really enjoy that red in the palette quite a bit. The mattes are absolutely perfect. So beautiful. I love almost every color in that palette. Just the only color I barely use is that purple one because it looks like it should be like a sheer purple, but it comes off looking instantly smoky, like a dark, like gray purple. That's not really a look I go for. So yeah, just a little bit to kind of bring out the green, and it sure does. That is just so pretty. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of that cream color right up here. Yeah, that's really pretty. So that concludes my makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy all things olive skin content, just being creative with makeup and being fun with colors, but not too much. If you're just a little bit on the day-to-day wearing type of makeup, maybe a little bit more conservative, but you like to play with color, then that's definitely my style. I hope you enjoyed it once again, and I will see you guys next time.